Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. In this video we are concentrating on the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This is the C5 model and specifically the Avant. We're working in the inside the tailgate today, and in this video we're going to be looking at the boot actuator. That's this section here in the centre. So we're going to get this this disconnected. Now obviously to gain access to this you need to have first removed the interior tailgate panel. That's the big carpeted panel that sits across the full width of the interior of the boot here. If you're unsure on how to remove that panel, we've already recorded a video on how to do that, so we'll add a link for you below this video. If you go down to the information section on YouTube, you'll find a link there for the video on how to remove the panel. Once you've got that panel removed, come back when you're at this stage and then we can focus on the actuator. So to disconnect the actuator from the boot lock itself, you can see we've got this this metal arm that travels down here. It's got a plastic adjustment section in the middle there, but you've got this metal arm, and it comes into a little white bracket just on the side there of the boot lock. Now it's this little white bit that's the key. As you can see on this side, that plastic's solid, but on this side it's got a little slot in it. So what you want to do is just push this sideways like that, and that will come round, and then this will just drop out of the hole. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So when you come to refit it, you just push that up back through into the hole like so, and then you bring this around and try and do it without obscuring your view too much, and just click that on like so. So obviously to remove it, push it across and drop that down. So let's get rid of some of the electrical connections to begin with. So we've got one right here to pinch the two little arms in, get that one removed. Next up, I've got one here. This is the type with the two kind of ears on either side. You grab the whole thing and wiggle it side to side whilst pulling. That'll come out like so. Next up at the back here, where these brown cables come in, and we've got the other end of the loom right here. I need to disconnect these two. On this one we've got some cable ties. I'm just going to snip off. I'm not sure if that's factory or not. Seems a bit strange, but there we go. If you open that up, again we've got the same type with the two ears, so give that a wobble, disconnect that. Next up we've got these size 10s little nuts here on this metal frame that sits in the middle. One, and then there's an access hole for the other one, just there. So we'll just drop that down and out of the way. Okay, so next up, if you look at the back here, we've got these kind of little compression knee barb things, and there's two pairs, one on this side and obviously one on the other side. What you want to do is just push that in and push it quite hard inwards. If you kind of work between the two, so you don't have to do all four, but you do have to do two. Okay, I'll do the same on the other two. What you want to do is just push them in. Don't push them in entirely. I'll show you why on the next stage. You don't want the whole thing falling out just yet, like so. So what I'll do, I've just pushed those in a little bit. I'll show you the shot from the outside. So I'm going to hold that on the inside. I'm going to bring the bonnet down. So I'm going to hold that, make sure that doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to bring this down, and we can see the boot handles here. So if you give them a bit of a wiggle, they're tricky. So they've got this little rubber kind of edging on the bottom. As you can see there, those are the compression things that we were just doing from the other side. So that's one. I'll have a go at the other one as well whilst I'm here, like so. So get both of those removed. Remember to hold it in from the bottom with your other hand at the same time. So with the two plastic handles removed, this whole unit will come down. Sometimes you get a bit of resistance around the actual lock mechanism, which is, well, it's kind of almost in the dead centre of this black section here. That's okay. If you just draw the whole thing gently downward, like so, and as you can see, that's the actuator unit removed.